around. Like the oncoming one, it's waiting in the middle of the dual carriageway. Let's change your feet now and get past.
Yeah.
Let's get past, let's change your feet. Good. Cancel the signal. And then end of the road again, we're going to turn left, please. So what should we do with what we're seeing?
I'll do brake.
Put about the car in front. So put the left signal on, put it in first gear, and roll up to your line. And just wait, mate. Good. Stop and brake. Good. So where's the one in front going?
To the left. So
His right, our left. So we're going to sit and see what he does. What's he doing? So he's not. Okay.
Straight across, that's great. Oh, yeah. Still there.
When's the gap on its way?
Probably after the red one. Oh no, there's another one behind it.
We've got another scenario with the white one in front. Which way is the white one in front going?
So that's his right,
his
our
right,
left,
our
hopefully.
left. And look at his wheel position.
It looks like it's actually turning.
Yeah, so have a little look. He's going. Can we go now?
Yeah.
Good. I need you to change your feet though. You're rushing with your hands. This side, left lane. Change your feet. You stared forward, you grabbed and didn't do much with your car. Do you understand? Don't rush, just change your feet to suit. In the end, it was alright though, mate. So, was that a classic example of two people doing similar things in the central reservation, but the signals,
Yeah.
one was bad, one was good?
Yeah, I think.